Outstanding design defines the 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.